Strawberries need to be fertilized 3 times a year to ensure a bountiful harvest. Here's a simple feeding schedule to help your plants thrive. First feeding. Early spring. After pruning the leaves, feed your strawberries with a balanced fertilizer. Mineral option. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of nitroammophosphate in 10 liters of water. Organic option. Use a fermented manure solution, 1 to 10 for cow manure, or 1 to 12 for chicken manure. Apply 0.5 liters of solution per plant, pouring it under the roots. Second feeding, budding and fruiting period. During flowering and fruit development, strawberries need more potassium for sweet, juicy berries. Use potassium nitrate, wood ash, chicken manure infusion. Tip: foliar spraying with micronutrients at this stage significantly boosts yields. Mix a pinch of boric acid in 10 liters of water and spray the plants. Third feeding. After harvest. Once you've collected the berries and trimmed old leaves, it's time for another round of nutrients. Mineral option. 2 tablespoons of nitroammophosphate plus 1 cup of wood ash per 10 liters of water. Organic option. Well-balanced compost or organic fertilizer. Bonus. Tip: a urea feeding in August, 30 grams per 10 liters of water, helps develop strong flower buds, leading to a bigger harvest next year. Important: always water your strawberries after fertilizing to protect the roots. Spring foliar feeding. Secret to 30% higher yields. For an extra boost in early spring, spray the leaves with a micronutrient solution. 2 grams potassium permanganate. 2 grams ammonium molybdate. 2 grams boric acid. Mix in 10 liters of water. Alternatively, use specialized strawberry fertilizers. These provide all the essential nutrients and can increase your yield by 30%. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more gardening tips.